Anyway, so, as you can see, it is after 10 o'clock, and it's dark, so I'm talking to my camera, and, oh my gosh, my back hurts. But, anyway, so, yeah, hopefully by the time this video is over, maybe it won't say channel 6 anymore. Maybe it'll say 1010
or... Father, I'm going
1011. Maybe I'm gonna... Oh, that's right. Cause it's after 10 o'clock. It's after 10 o'clock, baby. Yeah. Look, I'm gonna show you a picture of me. Oh, there it is. You probably just saw it. Like, bam! Yep, there it was. It was just very enjoyable, wasn't it? There's another one. Oh, you saw another one. Another one. And you're gonna keep seeing them. I'm gonna keep showing them. Oh, look, now it's channel 7.
ride low, first class, nobody's sitting behind my dash, don't drive too fast, showing out unless you got whiplash, watch, I hear the 5-0, Ghostbusters, here come the popo, you think you can catch this, but I know that you won't, like Houdini, you see me now you don't.
In. Ooh, it's zoomed in. Now it's zoomed out. Zoomed in. Zoomed out. Look at my night light. Oh, you can't see. Okay. Zoomed out. Look, you're gonna look at the clock and it's gonna say channel 8. Bam. There it is. I told you, you're gonna see that. Picture of me. Ooh, now another one.
I have 2 more minutes left on this video.
People have told me that, well not a lot, but a couple people told me I've sucked at singing and it's just...
Yeah. I wanna ask you guys a question. Do you guys really
Been good. Please tell me. It will really lift my fears up. Anyway. Tomorrow I have church and I'm really excited. I'm always excited for church. I don't know why. I am. Are you? Ooh. I am. Ooh. A light. I see a light. Ooh. Oh, isn't it gorgeous? Don't we all just love light? I mean, God gave us light, and it's just something beautiful. Guess what? Guess what time it is? I'm gonna go. But I do hope you think I do sing good. And if you don't, that's okay. But I really just wanted to know. But I gotta go now. Bye.